FLISR is a self-healing network which can restore supply to our customers within 70 seconds after an unplanned outage. FLISR stands for Fault Location Isolation and Supply Restoration.
When a fault is identified by the program, the commands are then sent to switches on our network to restore power supply through an alternative method.
FLISR is capable of locating the fault site, isolating the supply, and restoring supply to the healthy parts of the network. Our distribution network is prone to extreme weather events where it has a major impact on our overhead power lines. About 84% of our total faults are in the distribution network, which is why we have focused on automating that part of the network.
The end result, 50% of our customers will no longer be impacted by weather increments, and the severity and the duration of these power outages will be minimised. FLISR allows us to leverage existing technology in a coordinated fashion. This innovation means restoring power will be safer for our crews because the fault site is automatically isolated.
The modernization of the network management system and implementation of an integrated SAP asset management system and a digital twin has opened up new avenues for us to innovate.
The crews can then conduct their repair work. This means the whole restoration process will be quicker and customers will experience shorter duration outages.
Which means our people are spending less time traveling and can get the supply back to our customers as quickly as possible. FLISR is a win-win both for our customers as well as our people.